stayed in Douglas, Wyoming last night at the fairgrounds. They must have one heck of a fair because they have got all those yellow pylon things down there. Those are RV spots, and there's, well, I don't know if I can show you this way because of the sun, but they've got a row of them over here, and they've got a row of them down the middle of this whole thing, and they've got another row of them back over there. I'll drive around the long way and show you. And that's their equine, or I don't know how you say it, the horse fair area. That big red building. They must have one huge fair because there's a gazillion RV spots back here. I would say probably at least 150 spots for RVs, maybe 200 spots, because it's not only down here, but there's there's a place way up there beyond the sun. Anyway, yeah, lots of spots. And this whole cemented area where I'm parked is all, and it's on both sides that cement, is for handicap. And then there's restrooms right there, restrooms and showers and garbage right there. Full hookups, $30 a night. Obviously it was very quiet. Anyway, I'm on my way to Hot Springs, South Dakota today. I don't remember if I'm there 2 nights or 1 night. Anyway, let's go. Bye. So pulling out of my RV spot, they've got a row of RV places here. Let's see if you can see. Stop. So they've got those there in the middle, and then there's a row way over there, and then restrooms, and all this is new.
In 600 feet, turn right.
And they have all the powers. I know there's like 20 amp, 30 amp, 50 amp. Those boxes are just full of plugs. Oh, I didn't even know there was a river. I was tired when I got here, so I didn't even look
Turn
around.
right onto Cowboy Drive.
But there's a river right there. Not sure what it's called. Moving at a pretty good clip, though. But yeah, pretty darn big place. All pull-throughs down here. Up there at the top. Well, they might be at the top. I don't know. Some are up against the fence, so those may not be. Equine Center. That's how it's pronounced. It takes me a while. I don't know what that is. Like a little outdoor stage, maybe?
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Brownfield Road.
They're watering it. Looks like they need to cut it. But the lady up in the office, real sweet, very helpful, said, okay, so here's where you park. And there's a grocery store over here. There's another one if you go a little bit further. Safeway, I think it was. Anyway, really nice place. I don't know if you can see up there. See all the spots? Even at the top of that hill. Oh, it's sunny. The Equine Center is huge. Look at that. Well, it's Wyoming. I suppose they would have a big livestock area. Anyway, all these are electric here. She said were the, which I'm assuming it's construction that's going on and these are the workers. The office is way back up there where you go to pay. Ooh, the sun is blinding me. Alright, so campground, blue section. Yeah, my windshield's dirty. What time is it? 7:37 a.m. Out there working their horse, I think, maybe. Oop. Or just kids out there walking their dog, I don't know. Well, it's a play area for, I don't know, dog area. That's what it is. How cute. Anyway, so yeah, this place is full up here.
Take the second right onto Brownfield Road.
Will do, Missy. Alright, that's the end of the tour. So off to South Dakota.